Hey there, welcome to another episode of the breakfast series. And this is a series where we basically cook meals or snacks that you can basically enjoy for breakfast. So today we have some Nduma and some smokies. And just to mention, these are all ready to eat. The Nduma was oven fried, but you can also boil it. And smokies are always ready to eat. You can eat them as they are, but I'm just going to show you how you can just elevate the flavor. And without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, I'll start by slicing my ndoma. And for this, we are making them for breakfast, so you do not want them to be very thin. Some relatively huge slices will do. Hivo. But if at all you're having them for lunch or any other meal, you can cut them into relatively smaller pieces, come as a fries. So this should be okay. And then let's get to the other side where we get started. Once my pan is dry enough, I'll go in with some cooking oil, and today we are just shallow frying after sio mengi. But let's also appreciate the fact that mafuta imeshuka bei. So where I live, a liter goes for around 210 shillings right now. So I'll just remove this, and I'll also wait for this to become hot, then we can go in with our rice. So how to know your oil is ready? When you insert a wooden skewer or a wooden spoon and you see some bubbles, you know it is ready. So I'll go in with my arrowroots. And just a reminder, these arrowroots have already been oven fried, so they are ready to eat. We just want to give them a crust. So I'm going to let this continue for a couple of minutes till the edges are crispy, and then we are going to turn them. So like 2 minutes later, you can feel that they are crispy. So I'm going to turn them. Then give the other side about 2 or so minutes. So we are turning them for the third time now, but the one side for those that are rectangular in shape, but for those that are triangular, kama hii, this is ready to be gotten to the fire because it has only 3 sides. So those that have three sides, I'm going to remove them, and I'm laying my plate with some kitchen towel to trap the excess oil. And that's exactly what you want to hear. Kizitoa, the crunch. So now that we have space, I'm going to add in my smokies carefully. So these are also ready. And our smokies are also ready. So we just wanted them to have that kakala and la. So while this is still hot, I'm going to season with some salt. Then I'm going to toast them so that the salt can be evenly distributed. Then I'll see you for serving and tasting. And as you've seen, this is such an easy recipe and you're definitely going to dine like the rich. So I've served mine with some smoky, some tomatoes, some tomato paste, and some hibiscus tea. And my mouth is very watery. So let's give this a taste test. Wow. You can definitely see how soft it is and very crunchy on the outside, but very soft in the inside because you're having them for breakfast. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. Well, Wow. So this is definitely a recipe worth trying. As you've seen, it's such a low budget recipe, lakini unasikia utamu like the rich people. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment and share this with a friend, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.